Most drivers trust the 5,000-mile oil change rule like gospel. But U.S. mechanics say it's one of the biggest mistakes destroying modern engines today. According to a nationwide USAA survey, over 62% of engine failures they inspect involve degraded or overdue oil. And most of those engines followed recommended intervals of 5,000 to 7,500 miles. The simple truth is this: oil breaks down faster than manuals admit, especially in turbo engines, stop-and-go traffic, and high-heat climates, which is exactly how most Americans drive. U.S. shop owners say cars with 3,000-mile changes reach 250,000 to 350,000 miles, while drivers who stretch intervals rarely see 180,000 without major repairs. In this video, we are going to reveal the truth: how changing your engine oil after 5,000 miles destroy your engine. Let's get started. Reason number 1. Oil shear breakdown begins long before 5,000 miles. Drivers assume oil remains strong and protective all the way up to 5,000 miles, but in reality, most modern engines shear and break down oil much faster. U.S. oil analysis labs like Blackstone report that over 70% of samples pulled at 5,000 miles already show major viscosity loss. After about 2,500 to 3,500 miles, the viscosity begins thinning out, meaning the oil can no longer maintain a stable film between metal components. When that happens, your bearings, camshafts, turbocharger, and piston walls start experiencing microscopic wear every time you accelerate. By the time you hit 5,000 miles, the oil has already lost a huge chunk of its anti-wear additives, oxidation resistance, and thermal stability. This is why engines that follow 5,000-mile intervals usually don't last past 200,000 miles, while engines with 3,000-mile changes survive well over 300,000 miles. Reason number 2. High heat in American driving destroys oil twice as fast. Modern engines run extremely hot, especially small turbocharged engines designed for fuel efficiency, and heat absolutely destroys oil life. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, average engine bay temps have increased 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in the last decade. Heat is the #1 killer of oil, and U.S. mechanics report that once oil hits 240 to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, oxidation speeds up exponentially, turning oil acidic and sludge forming in as little as 2,500 miles. American drivers deal with long highway climbs, desert heat, and jammed city traffic, all of which cook your oil relentlessly. By 4,000 miles, most engines have oil that is chemically breaking down even if it looks clean. This is why U.S. rebuild shops repeatedly find burnt oil stains, cooked piston rings, and varnish on camshafts in cars that follow 5,000-mile intervals. Secret number 3. Sludge begins before 5,000 miles. Sludge is the silent engine killer U.S. mechanics battle constantly. AIA reports that sludge accounts for over $4.1 billion in engine repair costs every year in the U.S. Sludge doesn't appear suddenly at 100,000 miles. It starts forming slowly the moment your oil's detergents run out. That usually happens around 3,000 to 3,500 miles. After that point, carbon, moisture, and fuel contaminants begin sticking to the hottest parts of the engine, especially the piston ring zone and camshaft area. U.S. mechanics say sludge-heavy engines almost always belong to owners who change every 5,000 miles like my manual says. Meanwhile, taxi, police, and fleet vehicles that change oil every 3,000 miles routinely pass 300,000 to 450,000 miles without sludge-related failure. Sludge is a slow death, and 5,000-mile intervals guarantee it starts early. Secret number 4. The piston ring disaster. According to U.S. engine rebuilders, The top reason modern engines fail is piston ring collapse caused by dirty or degraded oil. And nothing destroys piston rings faster than running oil beyond 3,000 to 4,000 miles. When oil breaks down, it cannot clean the ring grooves. Carbon begins packing tightly behind the rings, reducing their spring tension. This leads to blow-by, oil consumption, loss of power, and eventually, total engine failure. Engines maintained at 3,000 miles almost never develop these problems, even at 300,000 miles. But engines maintained at 5,000 to 7,500 miles show heavy ring wear before 120,000 miles. This is the hidden engine killer that automakers never warn you about. Secret number 5. Additives are gone way before 5,000 miles. Engine oil isn't just a lubricant, it's a chemical shield full of detergents, dispersants, antioxidants, and anti-wear agents. The problem is, independent U.S. oil tests show that these additives are mostly depleted by 3,000 to 3,500 miles. Once the detergents are gone, carbon starts sticking to piston rings and camshafts. Once the anti-wear additives like ZDDP wear out, metal components start grinding during acceleration. And once antioxidants deplete, oil begins oxidizing rapidly, turning into sludge-forming acid. U.S. mechanics say they frequently see thick varnish, sticky rings, and early bearing wear in engines that follow 5,000-mile changes, even with synthetic oil. Drivers who think their oil still looks clean are fooled by appearance. U.S. tests show oil chemistry falls apart long before it looks dirty. That's why engines with 3,000-mile changes last noticeably longer. Secret number 6. Direct injection. Engines contaminate oil. Rapidly, nearly every modern U.S. car such as Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, and GM now uses direct injection engines. U.S. mechanics say direct injection engines contaminate oil almost twice as fast as port-injected engines because fuel blows past the piston rings into the crankcase. Independent U.S. oil analysis reports show 3 to 8% fuel dilution at just 3,000 miles, and anything above 2% is considered damaging. That fuel thins the oil dramatically, which destroys its ability to lubricate timing chains and piston rings. U.S. mechanics constantly see timing chain stretch, oil consumption, and low compression in direct injection engines maintained at 5,000-mile intervals. The result is, engines start burning oil, rattling on cold starts, and losing power as early as 70,000 to 90,000 miles. Direct injection engines simply cannot survive 5,000-mile changes, and U.S. data proves it. At the last, I want to say, the 5,000 miles myth is destroying American engines every day. Between hotter engines, thin oils, traffic, short trips, and extreme temperatures, oil simply does not survive long enough. U.S. mechanics agree. If you want your engine to reach 300,000 miles or more, the only safe interval is every 3,000 miles. No exceptions. Oil is cheap, but engines are not. See you in the next video.